Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today I'm going to show you how to form kibbeh. Again, it's been a request. It's really easy to make. I'm going to start with the filling. I like to have one filling for both. I've got fried onions and then I've added to it minced meat and I fry it. I added some mice spices, so I added salt, cinnamon, 7 spice and some black pepper. I make one filling for both the kibbeh labaniya and fried kibbeh because it's just easier. I form them, I freeze them, I just cook them from frozen whenever I need it. I'm going to add walnuts to the meat mix. And now I'm going to start forming the kibbeh. I've got my kibbeh covered in a damp cloth. Remember, it dries out. I'm going to take some, like size of a golf ball, wet the palm of the hand, and then I'm going to roll it into a ball. Again, I'm wetting my fingers. They have to be damp all the time. I'm turning and I'm pushing at the same time. I want to make a hollow. And when the hollow's reached the desired thickness, I'm going to put my meat. Some make big kibbeh and others make small kibbeh. Mine are small and I think it's because my hands are small. Now, I just want to wet between my thumb and index, and I'm turning again and pushing it gently to seal it, and it's sealed. And then wherever there are some cracks on the outside, you can just smooth them out with water. And you continue until the dough is finished. But remember, both your kibbeh dough and the kibbeh you have made needs to be covered in a damp cloth. And now the kibbeh balls are done. Remember, if this is too complicated for you, just make them into a ball. When you want to freeze them, you can lay them on a tray, and once frozen, put them in a plastic bag. And when you want to use them, you cook from frozen. Enjoy.